Well, we are thanking God for the victory He has given to our governor, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Joseph Fubara at the Supreme Court, and also to let our people know that they should not be afraid despite the challenges we are facing. You can also see what is happening in our state. People are being declared wanted just to distract whatever we are doing. But I want to tell our people, that they should not be scared, that they should go about their normal business and maintain peace in their communities. That by the grace of God, this fight is over, and that we are going to continue thanking God in what He has done for us. People are saying Fubara is going to all those things has ended. What we want is relative peace in our state. What you should expect, we are moving from word to word, community to community, to tell our people thank you for supporting the governor. And in less than no time, we're going to be receiving the fruit of our labor, because we have labor, we will also receive the fruit of our labor. So our people should not be sure that the governor is a man that keeps to his promises, and that they should not be distracted by what they are doing to us by declaring most of our people wanted, like the likes of the Right Honorable Edison. Let me tell the world, the Right Honorable Edison here is my friend, and he's an innocent man, and those other 4 persons. So I want to call on the IG of police to please do a thorough investigation before venturing into declaring people wanted.
Okay, please, before I go, we actually started this event properly.
Well, I want to say that we have the governor has a lot of agendas for Rivers people. He has the campaign promises, and with this, the Supreme Court is done. In less than no time, Rivers people begin to see what the governor has for us as a people. So what our people appeal to them is to remain calm and avoid crime and criminality, so that we can get all those things from government. My message is that they should remain calm, pray for the governor, and stand resolute. They should stand and resist those evil ones who want to take over the resources of Rivers, those who want to hijack and loot our economy of our state, because that is what is the issue. Our people should stand and let us resist them, because what we are doing today is to liberate Rivers State and let our state move forward.
Yeah, when the people have said they want you, when the people have said they will stand by their governor, you can't intimidate the governor. We are Rivers people. We have decided also that Fubara is the governor of Rivers State, that will stand by him, come rain, come shine. So whoever want to distract him will not find it easy, because the will of the people is the will of God. It's very clear and explicit. The governor have shown capacity. The ring road, which is ongoing, is an example of the fact that he is credible. The Songhai farm that he has decided to embark on is also a clear indication that our governor will help Rivers State to bounce back in the sector of human capital development and all that. So it is very sure, it is very clear that the governor will make things happen in Rivers State. My message is just for us to rally around the governor, support the governor. Try and stand by him so that his distractors will not be able to succeed, which we are doing. You saw the turn up here. People came out in mass to support the victory party we had today. And that is a clear indication that we love the governor and the governor will succeed. Thank you, and God bless you. Thank you.
Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.